Here's a great way to reduce your Power BI file. Let's go to File, Options and Settings, Options. Here under Current File, Data Load. Notice that Time Intelligence is enabled. When Time Intelligence is enabled, it creates calendar tables in the background. Let me show you. Cancel, External Tools, DAX Studio. Notice here on the left-hand side, we have these two calendar tables. Date table, local date table. Those two tables are taking up space in our Power BI file. Let's take a look at the Power BI file size right now. View metrics, OK, and summary. Right now this is 5.56. Now let's turn off Time Intelligence and see what happens. Let's toggle that off. OK. View metrics. OK. Summary 5.47. So as you can see, disabling Time Intelligence makes a difference, especially when you have larger files. If you need to do Time Intelligence in Power BI, the best practice is to turn off Time Intelligence and instead bring in your own dedicated calendar table. If you don't have a calendar table and want to learn how to make one, watch my video on how to build a future-proof calendar table. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.